Hello, this is Christina coming to you from sunny California and my kitchen corner. Today I would like to share with you a Dollar Tree haul, and I'm going to start to my left. I'm going to start off with these coloring clear stamps, and they had 4 different designs. I accidentally picked up 2 of the same ones, so it's okay, no problem. And I like that it has little sayings that you can just put on your block and use them, and they're all different. It says thinking of you with love, beautiful dream, laugh for you, good times. So I bought these, and then I picked these up for a DIY, and then I couldn't leave these behind. They were pom-poms for 25 cents. These paints were 25 cents. And these are finger paints. Then these artist pencils, 25 cents for 4 of them. And then I paid 25 cents for 2 packages, dollars. And this is for another DIY. I also picked up these mini glasses, and these are for a party for Alicia. And here are some more. These are the wine glasses. And then we picked up some dinner plates and some round plates. My sister picked up these 3 pairs of glasses. My sister picked up this heart. I picked up this love heart sign. These items are for Alicia, for her classmates. I'm going to start off with the Valentine cards with the little pins on them, and I believe these are for her because she wears a vest and she has all sorts of pins. She'll be passing out these for the boys in her class, and these are for the girls in her classroom. These Monster High are either for her personal use or for her after-school program. And these are the magic paint posters. And I'm not sure if these are for her birthday party or for her after-school club. My sister picked up these scratch and sniff stickers, and there's 3 packages. So the first one is this XO cupcakes and sundaes ice cream cones. Here's another one with donuts, sundaes, and ice cream cones. This one is the conversation hearts. This package of tiger pops, and there's 22 in the package. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I would appreciate it. Happy Valentine's Day!